Hey everyone, what's up? How are you guys doing? How is today? How is your day? Alright, so you're welcome back to today's video. Alright, so if you're new, you see my face for the first time, you are highly welcome. So I'm gonna be showing you one leaf that would actually help to transform your skin, give you that glow, and make you look young. This is a secret, and this secret is awesome. It is also very natural. Now when you want to use this, you have to be consistent so as to achieve your utmost result. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's go. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to be needing is this, and this is ginger. Okay, now we're gonna be needing ginger for this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to be washing and at the same time grating it. Okay, so after washing it, I'm going to be I'm going to be peeling it. Now you can as well just wash it thoroughly and then you cut it. But if you want to do it really well, you can do it the way I'm actually doing it, by scraping it first before cutting it. And then we're going to be needing scent leaf. Here I have some dry scent leaf. Okay, you can actually decide to use the dry one or you use the fresh one. Okay, so I'm actually going to be washing it thoroughly. So after sanitizing it, the next thing we're going to do is to cut. Alright, so done cutting that one, and now we'll have to be we'll be needing the scent leaf, and then we'll be plugging this dry scent leaf off from the stem. Now for this, you can actually use either the dry one or the fresh one. Okay, alright, so after which I'm done, I'm actually going to be cutting the scent leaf. Okay, so this is it, and let's grab a pot and let's put this in. Okay, so now I would have to be putting the ginger into the pot, and also the dry and fresh scent leaf. You can use either the dry one or the fresh one. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting in a little water to cook this. Okay, and this is okay. Alright, so let's go and put it on the gas. Okay, so we're gonna be cooking this for at least 5 minutes, and we're gonna be right back to show you how it is after it's boiled. Okay, all right, this is it, and this is how it is. Okay, so after it's been boiling for like 5 minutes, what you need to do is to turn off the lights and let it cool. Okay, now when it's cool, you're going to serve it. Okay, now the thing is that you're not going to let it like over cool down, because basically you need to drink this warm. All right, so scent leaf mix, this is basically what you need. All right, so you drink this every day or every other day. It's actually going to help you so much for your body, going to help you for your skin, and it's going to help you glow. And there are so many numerous benefits that you get when you drink this scent leaf tea. Yeah, it also helps to remove belly fat, which I'm actually going to be telling you all of them. Now you can also store it. Yeah, you can store it, and then you'll be drinking it for, you know, for weeks. And when you hear all what this does to the body, I'm sure you would want to drink it every day. So let me have a little take, and I'll be back to tell you. Wow, oops, it's so hot. Now this actually does not have any taste at all. It's just like you're drinking water. It is tasteless. Or is water tasteful? I think so, but it's just like as if you're drinking water. It tastes just like that. Okay, so what you do is that you drink this every day, and you're going to be good. Yeah, it does all of the numerous benefits in your body, and it leaves your body looking youthful. So you drink the water in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening, or however you want it, and then you store this particular one for future use, and that's it. So that's it, guys. That is an amazing ingredient that would whoop up all of those aging related problems on your skin, make your skin look superb, young, glowing, beautiful, and age free. Okay, so go give this a go, and I'm sure you're gonna be loving it, and this is wonderful. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you did enjoy watching this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you again in my next video, guys. Love ya, and bye.